Alright, to start out this quick and easy makeup look for on the go when you're running late, I'm going to start with Organic Surge Daily Care Reviving Eye Gel. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it, and it literally is just a clear gel. And I'm going to place it underneath the eye just so we look awake and hydrated, you know. Now I'm going to be using a brow pencil because it's a lot quicker. So I'm just going to be using the J.cats Beauty Perfect Dual Pencil Brush. It's in the shade Dark Brown. So I'm just going to be outlining my eyebrow, and then I'm going to start doing hair-like strokes. Now, I'm going to be going in with the E.L.F. concealer and highlighter. So, I'm just going to use this and clean up my brows. Now I'm going in with this beauty sponge, and I'm just going to blend out the concealer. Now I'm going to be going with the E.L.F. concealer brush, the True Blend powder, pressed powder, and translucent light. And I'm just going to use this to set my eye. Alright, now I'm going in with the Ciatè London Bamboo Bronzer to go in with a Morphe crease brush. So basically what we're doing is adding dimension to our eye. Eyeshadow to Vanity brush. I'm going in with the Golden Sunrise from Covergirl. I'm using the Michelle Phan's Lash Gallery. This is what the wand looks like. Alright, now we're going to go back in with our concealer, and we're just going to be applying it under the eye. And going in with our beauty sponge. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with an eyelash curler just to curl my eyelashes. Alright. Now, at this point you could put foundation on if you wanted to, but since it's a running late makeup tutorial, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my concealer where I have acne. Grab any fluffy brush. This is a random one. I don't even think it has a name on it. So we're just gonna be taking the powder, set your face wherever you want. Definitely set underneath your eyes, that way it does not crease. Make sure you set your T-zone if you're really oily. Now I'm going to be going in with the shadow and liner from E.L.F. duo, and I'm just going to be putting the liner underneath my eyes in my waterline. That's what I meant. Now we're taking the Beauty Wonder. Now going back in with the mascara, we're going to put mascara on our bottom lashes. The same duo. I'm going to use the highlight side. Yeah, this might be too light for you, but I'm really pale, so it kind of like works. So I'm just going to go out for that one. Down the nose. Ooh. I'm just going to use the Beauty Blender and blend it out. Now I'm going to be going in with this lip gloss from Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind. I don't know. I'll leave her name on the screen. And this is in the shade Pink Sequins. So just to complete the look, we're just going to be popping it on. It honestly is just so beautiful. It has like a pink pale color, and then it has like little shimmers of gold in it, and it's just Now I'm gonna go in with True Blend from Covergirl in shade Translucent Tawny, and it's basically this brown. This brush from Morphe. Kind of like a more compact fluffy brush. And I'm just using this translucent powder to warm up the skin and do a little bronzing and contouring. Alright guys, this is the end of the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this and find it helpful. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, even though I had trouble covering this little pimple. What are you gonna do? I don't know. But yes, this is the completed look, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or if you have any comments, make sure to leave them down below. All the products in this video will be linked down in the description box. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I love you guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel.